we will, instead of a card, we'll give some message through video. So this is the birthday celebrant, Mina Fajardo. And we are in Cornwall Thai restaurant. And we're enjoying. So the first message will be... Dito dapat, hello.
Hi, Mina.
Go, come on.
Happy birthday, Mina. Ano ba?
Oh, yes. I'm serious. I don't know why they're laughing, you know. I don't know why they're laughing.
Anyway, Mina, thank you so much. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you for the food. Talagang for the food.
And the food.
Basta, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love you, friend.
Popoy, hindi ka na. Last si PJ.
Happy birthday, me.
What else?
That's it.
Okay, yeah, that's so nice.
Si JR muna.
Okay.
Anong pa ba?
Hindi, message kayo na.
Ay, Mina, happy birthday.
Parang nasa Pilipinas lang. Jill.
Happy birthday, Mina. Wish you more blessings. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, kasi meron ka na lahat. Ano, love life, nasa tabi-tabi lang.
Kapit na.
Ano tabi lang ni Chef?
Fred.
Mina, tawag sa birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mina. God bless.
Wow, napakahaba na.
Happy birthday, Mina. God bless. Ano ba? Happy birthday, neighbor.
Happy birthday, God bless.
Gaya-gaya.
Happy birthday, Mina. More blessings.
What is in ba? Very innovative.
Innovative, no? Just second syllable.
Gaya-gaya. At least, innovative.
Happy birthday, Mina.
Many happy returns.
Parang nasa state mo si Mina.
Parang sa asap.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Min. Thank you for everything sa tulong. May wink-wink pa. Mark and Manette. Happy birthday, Mina.
Thank you sa dinner. More birthdays to come.
Hindi, dapat ko. Bilis, lobat ako. Lobat ako lang.
Yeah, that's alright. Happy birthday.
It's really hot.
Bakit kasakit? Tumitry ka lang na.
It's okay, it's
Birthday,
okay.
Mina. Stay humble and kind.
Wow, that's so nice.
Ganun
Say
yung
happy
message
birthday to
mo.
yourself.
Happy birthday, Mina. Sana enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Sana enjoy mo yung company namin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, means many returns. Thanks for everything.
Happy birthday. Thank you sa food.
Next, what's the next one?
Bilis na. Sige na.
Kaya Vince, happy birthday. Salamat sa tulong sa work. Tapos, ayun, more blessings to come.
Anything else? And you know, how do you say that? Yeah, I did already. I said, Min?
Thank you, guys. Appreciate your
Hoy, dito ka dito ka. Lasingan.
Wag lasingan.
Lasingan na. Iyakan na lang, sige.
Mina.
More time.
Iyak mo yan.
Thank you.
Okay, Thank you, Min.
Tapos hindi mo pala na-press yung record.